All right, here we go. Good luck. Wrestling. More wrestling. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then odd and even on the top box. So we're going to do Undisputed box first. Box 1 on Undisputed, which is box number 2. And then we're going to do the wrestling. Box 5, which is top box. Box number 7. Alright, randomizer time. 6 times on the randomizer. 6 times. Good luck, everyone. 6 times. Alright, we got TSDST5 at the bottom. Sports card opener 93 at the top. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, Jesus. All right, there's your draft order. You're not even in this one, Matt. Yo, what's up? TSDST5, Canesman Bob, Green L, Wilbur Fung, Tar Heels Kenny, give me the hits. TSDST5, give me the hits. Canesman Bob, Tar Heels Kenny, give me the hits. Gridiron King, Richard Hare, Canesman Bob, Sports Card Opener, and Richard Hare. Good luck, everybody. I'm going to start off with the Restless Leaf Signatures Wrestling. Jeez, I can't even remember. We're going to start off with Pete Rose. This is regular Pete Rose, not Hall of Famer. Pete Rose is our first hit. Gorgeous Jimmy Garvin. Dennis Conray. Jushin Liger, 22 of 50. Deborah McMichael. Repo Man. Raven and Kazarian, not numbered. That'd be a big hit here. Sure is. Rick and Scott Steiner, print plate 1 of 1 dual autograph. I was about to say, there's got to be a big hit because we only got those 2 numbered cards. Team effort. It was in the box that we didn't choose. Look at that autograph on Scott Steiner, too. So they're out of Michigan, right? Michigan wrestlers. They were Wolverines. Big Papa Pump. Cameron. She is numbered 51 of 99. Cesaro. Rikishi. Scott Dawson. Tyler Breezy. 13 of 25. That is true. Mr. Wonderful, Paul Orndorff, 22 of 99. Virgil, Ravishing Rick Rude, Murphy, and Samoa Joe, 1 of 50. The Revival. 89 of 99. The Miz. Eddie Guerrero. Angelo Dawkins. You Can't See Me. John Cena. Big Show. 9 of 50. Big Show. Jim the Anvil Neidhart. Chris Jericho. The Boss. Sasha Banks. Chris Jericho. 76 of 99. Triple H. Steve Austin. Lana. Roman Reigns, 2-color. 40 of 175. Brie Bella. 93 of 99. Sergeant Slaughter. Paul Orndorff. Edge and Christian. 64 of 99. Kevin Owens. The Miz and Damian Mizdow. 8 of 10. Kamala. Randy Orton. The Mega Bucks. 5 of 10. Alicia Fox. Five of 10. Oh! Asuka. Ten of 50. Big John Studd. Eric Rowan. Alundra Blaze. Ryback 2-color. 39 of 175. Jim the Anvil Neidhart. Ooh, we got a redemption. 41 of 99. Tatsumi Fujinami. DDP. Apollo Crews. And our redemption. Undisputed WWE Tag Team Championship Bronze. Parallel. What? Of Bret the Hitman Hart. Best there is, the best there was, the best there ever will be. Paul Bearer Blue, number to 25. We got a relic, no, just 24 of 25. Kevin Nash, King Barrett, Randy Macho Man Savage, and It's Sting. The Stinger. And that was the break. Good luck, everyone.